Hello friends, today's topic, these 15 stocks are below 200 DMA. Will they appreciate now? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Good rally for markets today as Donald Trump will become the next US president, hopefully, because only the survey results are in front of us, not the actual election results. As mentioned in our video yesterday, a short-term rally was expected due to Trump's victory. However, nobody knows till when this rally will sustain. For short term, many people use 30 DMA as an indicator to know when to buy and sell. For long term, many people use 200 days moving average as an indicator to see how low or high a stock price is with respect to its 200 DMA. 200 DMA is the average price of the previous 200 days of the stock, that means 40 trading weeks. Usually, when a stock or index is below its 200 days moving average, it means it is in bearish phase. However, it can also be seen that if a stock is below 200 DMA, then it is an opportunity to be contrarian. Maybe stock market is closer to the bottom. We have compiled a list of leading stocks which are currently below 200 days moving average so that you can research further. Stocks currently below 200 days moving average. 1. KPIT Technologies, 200 days moving average 1604, approximate current price 1488, and percentage below 200 days moving average -7%. 2. Adani Enterprises, 200 days moving average 3103, today's price 3046 and 2% below 200 days moving average. 3. Narayana Hrudayalaya, 200 days moving average 1262, approximate current price 1251, 1% below 200 days moving average. 4. IRCTC, 200 days moving average 959, today 856, -11% when compared to 200 DMA. 5. Adani Green Energy, 200 days moving average 1821, approximate current price 1715, and it is -6% below 200 days moving average. The sixth share is Adani Ports, 1384 is a 200 DMA, approximate current price 1372, -1% to 200 DMA. 7. Havells India, 200 DMA 1717, approximate current price 1675, -2% when compared to 200 DMA. 8. DLF, 200 days moving average 850, approximate current price 828, -3%. 9. Berger Paints, 545 is the 200 days moving average, approximate current price 525 and -4% compared to 200 DMA. 10. Asian Paints, 200 DMA 2981, approximate current price 2897 and 200 days moving average -3%. 11. Tata Elxsi, 200 days moving average 7403, approximate current price 7247 and -2% when compared to 200 DMA. 12. Maruti Suzuki, 200 DMA 12123, approximate current price 11354 and -6% when compared to 200 DMA. 13. Reliance Industries, 200 DMA 1457, today's price 1325, -9% when compared to 200 DMA. 14. Tata Motors, 200 DMA 975, approximate current price 840, -13% when compared to 200 DMA. 15. Titan Company, 200 days moving average 3522, approximate current price 3177 and 200 days moving average -10% when compared to it. It was good to see most stocks trading positive after many days of weakness in markets. Nifty 50 index is trading slightly above its 200 DMA. Its 200 DMA is at 23,482 and it closed close to 24,500 today. Study the stocks in the list, and if you are confident on their long-term potential, then you should not worry about its short-term underperformance. Apart from this list, some other companies trading below 200-day moving average are HUL, Nestle, Tata Steel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Avenue Supermarts, that is DMart, etc. At the end of the video, here is a question. Are you ready to buy stocks even if you may not get good returns for the next 1 to 2 years? Yes or no, even type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.